Imer Maroska bere Monda Medi.
Ngene mheshimiwa to biro maber kendo ngene mheshimiwa maduro ga Mercedes ni. En ngama ne wan go gi hope mang'eny. Nikeche, to be honest, for the last almost 20 years, kom mar MCA poko attract ga jok ma wigiler ka bi Mercedes. So I'm so grateful about Mercedes. I said we do discussions mang'eny and all about. Mercedes ni kendo beja telo mar jok ma mine mane county assembly.
Women caucus.
Kuro ando telo mar temo ga timo kata mna weche mag medical issue mar strike mag nurses. Nyocha they discuss how could governor Benito discuss gomundo waget mulungone back to work formula. To do hold to kado ni do get teach makonsa ni teach. We are happy about that one. Otherwise, bigma as it is wacho two things challenges mantie de kol kagma Lois Bomedo. Challenges are real. Challenge achiel. Iwinjo sama governor Orengo. Mana sebedo ka kero betesre e weche mag siago. To wacho ni broad based government chande. Kaka ne wawinjire chande onego bed andike moro kendo wadog mondo wawinjire. I support that one. To jok mag thurwa ngama kelo lokruok Kenya ka politically podam no bere Joluo through our party below ODM. Was a push gik moko makata mana devolution ni my en child mar ODM the ponyo na ODM Mumbai emanene chairman mar devolution department in Bomas of Kenya. But devolution manene by odeko devolution no be implement pogre. That was proper devolution. Proper devolution and the service was supposed to be on a government pursuit by time and what have you to no be mutilated. Number two, gumonoti mrebende ni devolution gi katiba manene ndek Bomas chande no bedo implemented gi jok mane pinge. Uhuru Kenyatta gi William Ruto were against the new constitution. But the Kenya no make a chance mag implement. But we end up one called governor to podwa retain the provincial administration, ma one called DO, one called Akani PC, Akana, the commissioners want to go. Made government so expensive, koro wage bill wani malo, nkechene wa maintain two governments, mano kone go bed, no maintain, samane ne wakelo waki mag devolution. Number 3, sameno ka koro governor Orengo wachono nego bed no adoke winja. Winyo dinga be wachone yawa. Jok manene wa miyo chance mar establish mar management mar this broad-based arrangement. Probably not capable of arranging it.
Actually, ngamane nigi teko nen mana Musi ni Raila Amolo Odinga.
Yes.
Emane winji.
But Raila Amolo Odinga chande. Ki winje speeches Mike Wilo Manodwaro. He really wanted strengthening of the devolution.
Yes, for sure.
For example, Antingen Kedobo support the devolution. And I support as a political scientist, I support federalism. Federalism operates devolution. Federalism any the units magene magichoko suru margi to gispendo suru margi. Problem nika ponwa choko suru teto wakelo KRA. To be distributed back to the people. Such a mokonte challenges, mokonte delays, makelo shinda a service delivery. Another thing manewaduaro ni devolution mondo o media pesa. Tingene kawa then koro one fans koro kwanya uwoyo. What we want ni negotiation that we are talking about. Let us go and negotiate devolution. Gumo wacho nego ben ka wacho koro wa miyo kata uno 2 term. Then in the next negotiation wacho ni bwana 15% ni okrom. Let's make it 30%. Manage mo wacho the negotiation more we want to go back to.
True.
Okwa wacho the negotiation and we make it 1 term. No. Wacho nika mwacho opening tie challenges mosebedo. For example, devolution 15% is too little.
It's too little.
Number 2, subtended my Mercedes wacho mantire east Ramogi. Kigo kwa wacho nika ya tintieti media, then kaya thurumu. Even you wacho ya thurumu.
Kaya tintieti.
Kaya tintieti media.
Kaya tintieti konge.
Ko rumo to wagisi Cleopas. Batamara. At the beginning of the year, the budget mama significant assembly masaya orumo within 3 months. Time murume orumo chon sana. Most of the